Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a consulting business with Clarity.fm step by step clearly. To start a consulting business with Clarity.fm, begin by visiting the Clarity.fm website. Sign up for an account by clicking the Sign Up button. Fill in your information, including your name, email address, and password. Once registered, complete your profile by adding a professional photo and a brief bio. Define your consulting niche clearly, focusing on your expertise and what you can offer clients. Set your hourly rate based on industry standards and your experience level. Create a detailed service description that outlines your consulting focus and the value you provide. Utilize keywords in your profile to improve visibility in search results. Add any relevant credentials, such as certifications or degrees, to enhance your credibility. Consider recording a short introduction video to showcase your personality and approach. Once your profile is complete, explore Clarity.fm's platform and familiarize yourself with its features. Network with other consultants on the platform to gain insights and tips. Utilize social media to share your Clarity.fm profile, reaching a broader audience. Respond promptly to inquiries from potential clients to build rapport and trust. Manage your calendar effectively to keep track of scheduled calls and appointments. After each consultation, ask for feedback to improve your services and client experience. Continuously update your profile as you gain more experience and accolades. Monitor your earnings and adjust your rates or services as needed. Engage with your clients by providing additional resources, like articles or strategies. Stay committed to learning and growing your consulting business over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.